Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something special from HEADSTAMP Publishing. Feel free to check them out. They have an interesting variety of items. HEADSTAMP Publishing. And also check out Forgotten Weapons, available on numerous platforms. I'll try to drop some links in the description. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Started cutting the tape because there was quite a bit on here, so let's continue opening. So let's see what we got here. Here is Small Arms of World War II, United States of America, signed edition. Okay. So this is pretty heavy. It is hardbound. You can see here on the end here, Small Arms of World War II, United States of America, HEADSTAMP Publishing, McCOLLUM, RUPLEY, and a plain black cover. No dust jacket. And let's see what we have here. Looks like we have a map, declassified hand crayon style. Let's take a look at the back cover. Similarly, here we have another map portion. And I don't want to give too much away here, but let's see. HEADSTAMP Publishing, title page. Here's our signature. Another title page with images, and here's our copyright information. So let's see how many pages. Well, here we have our credits, bibliography. Looks like we have exactly 500 pages because the last numbered one is 499. And tons of images. Kind of a presentation style decorative book, and with some informational text as well. So quick unboxing of Small Arms of World War II, United States of America, McCOLLUM, RUPLEY, from HEADSTAMP Publishing. Feel free to check them out. Interesting variety of items, HEADSTAMP Publishing, as well as check out Forgotten Weapons on various platform networks. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.